So now we're going to look at the expanded long multiplication method, which should be used when the children are secure using the grid method. So it's the next step in the calculation. So first of all, setting out the calculation formally, very similar to how we've done previously. 23 here, our operation here, which is multiplication, and 13 here. Now it can be useful to use the correct names, so multiplicand and multiplier, or factor and factor, because the children need to be aware that you need to multiply each digit in the multiplicand by each digit in the multiplier, or each part of this factor by each part of this factor. So starting off, we start with our ones, so we do 3 multiplied by 3, which is 9. And so that we can see where the children have understanding of what they're doing, they can write it here. Now here, really important, the digits should say the place value. So here, the next step, we've multiplied that by that, so we need to do this by this. 3 multiplied by 20 is 60. So again, I'm lining up my digits really carefully. I'm writing here the calculation that I have done. I've done this multiplied by this, and this multiplied by this. So now I'm going to move on to this part of my calculation. So 10 multiplied by 3 is 30. So I'm going to write that here. And again, I'm going to write this here. The final part of my calculation is to multiply this by this. So 10 multiplied by 20, which is equal to 200. Again, I'm going to line up my digits carefully. So I've now got a hundreds column. Check that children have an understanding of placing the digits there. And here, 10 multiplied by 20. So here we have now our partial products, and to find the product now we need to add these all together. Adding the ones first, then adding the tens. Again, be very careful with that language. It's 60 add 30, or 6 tens add 3 tens is equal to 9 tens. And then our hundreds column, 2 hundreds. So the product of 23 and 13 is 299.